A massive wildfire that started on July 26, 2024 in Jasper, Alberta, has destroyed large portions of the historic town and surrounding areas in Jasper National Park. The blaze, fueled by intensive winds, quickly turned into a firestorm, increasing hundreds of buildings, including homes and businesses.
All right, I'm on my way. Yeah, there's another water truck parked there, I think.
As the wildfire progressed, approximately 20,000 people were ordered to evacuate, with 358 out of 1,100 structures in the town confined destroyed by Park Canada. Local authorities and officials expressed deep